Hey guys, what's up? It's Derek from Midwest Aftermarket. Got another product video for you here. This is the unboxing for our RT Magnum rear bumper by ICI. So let's break into it real quick and I can talk about it with you. Again, really well packaged, just like the front bumper, if you guys saw, which took me forever to get into. ICI is really doing a good job of packaging their product really well. So that's a really good thing to notice. Let's see if I can figure out a good way to get into this bad boy. Yeah, guys, these crates are a beast, and they beat me mentally and physically. Yeah, so here's the rear bumper. Great product. Powder coated again, like we talked about before. Really well built, really well packaged. And this will fit your OEM hitch, sensors, and exhaust, so you won't have to worry about having them fab anything for it. Like I said, fits your OEM sensors. So if you have the parking sensors in the rear, they're real simple to install those sensors, so you won't have to worry about anything like that when you're backing up. So got a good spot for your license plate to go here. Super heavy duty bumper, really well built. Like I said, it's powder coated again, so they're packaging attests to their product and their manufacturing. So great product. If you got any questions, if there's anything we missed, let us know, give us a shout, or check out MidwestAftermarket.com.